Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this two-sided hamper. This is a 100-liter capacity hamper that actually comes built really nice, came packaged really nice. This is something like you would see in a spa or you'd see, maybe in a more commercial environment, but it can easily be transported to your home. This one here actually comes with two different options. One is with some of these casters, which I'm going to be putting on because I like the idea of the mobility, but you do have the option to do these furniture style feet if you didn't want to use the casters. That would make it look a little more like a piece of furniture. I just kind of like the idea of being able to move it around, so I think when I put it together, I'm going to be using that. It is going to go together really nice. They do have a nice set of instructions here that are provided, and it's all in metal, so this is going to be great. I'm going to get this thing put together and we'll show you what it looks like. So we've got this thing assembled here. Again, 50 liters on each side. This does have really nice casters. I did put the casters on. They do have two locking casters and two just traditional 360 swivel casters. I wanted to have the mobility to move it on the hard floor, but they did provide you with the option of the furniture feet, that you could do that, and they do have little screw-in pieces for the bottom as well as pads. Completely an option for that. Did provide you with a set of gloves to put this together and a screwdriver, so loving the fact they provide you with all the necessary tools to do that. And a mounting kit for mounting this to a wall. So if you're going to be putting this like in a kid's room, going to put it up against the wall, you can mount that to the wall. And each one of these is 50 liters, opens all the way up. You do have a nice basket that they provide you to go inside there so that you can use that. It comes looking like this, and you just simply pop that dude open, and you can get it in here, undo it. And this has got nice handles on this too, so that whenever you're wanting to go someplace, you can easily use that for that. And this doesn't have to just be used for laundry. You can obviously use this for storing trash or anything else that you're wanting to store in this, and then have it to where it rolls around really nice. Built really well, nice and powder coated with this, so should provide you or your kids or your family a wonderful laundry hamper for many years to come. It's very durable and would work great and look good in pretty much any room.